An exciting night on Samford's campus. New York Times best-selling author Eric Metaxas took to the stage for the Percy Cook Ratliff Lecture Series, hosted by Orleen Beeson School of Education. Metaxas, whose #1 bestseller, Bonhoeffer, Pastor, Martyr, Prophet, Spy, was awarded the Pollock Award for Christian Biography in 2011 by Beeson Divinity School. He's familiar with Samford and its place in higher education.
Samford takes its role as a Christian institution seriously. Really, it is the Christian faith which gives us the whole idea behind education and behind science and other parts of education, that our search without fear of whatever the truth is, and then defending the truth, all that's important. So to the extent that Samford takes that seriously and is communicating that to its students and the community, that's huge, and I'm really just thrilled that is still the case.
Metaxas is widely known as an ambassador of faith and encourages Samford students to use its faith-based education to search for truth in the world.
If you're willing to think for yourself and willing to stand up for the truth, you honor God and you honor the truth, and in the end, you'll affect all kinds of people, some of whom you'll meet and some whom you won't.